sassy, 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 so sassy, sassy, sassy. Oh my god, I haven't felt like doing that in a really long time, but I'm feeling sassy today. Hey everybody, it's Bunny, and tiaras are my new thing for 2019, but just these tiny ones. I feel like this is a very practical fashion accessory. Yes? No? Today, you guys, I am very excited because we have the Jeffree Star Valentine's Day Mystery Box. Ooh, look. Do you feel the tingles? I did the Jeffree Star, I think it was supposed to be a Christmas? No. What's the turkey one? The turkey holiday. Can't think of the name right now. Right out of my mind. But I got the turkey mystery box, opened it in December. My god, it's wind chimes again. Every time I'm over here late at night filming and I think I hear a doorbell, but it's just wind chimes. Anyway, turkey mystery box came, saw, conquered, loved it, got the premium one. I enjoyed unboxing it. All you guys enjoyed watching that video. Then I got word via the internet, found out that there was going to be a Valentine's Day mystery box as well. Once again, I was able to snag the premium box, which was the larger of the two. So there was a $40 deluxe box, I think it was called, and I believe that that box had 6 mystery items in it, and then there was the premium box, which was $70, and this is supposed to have 9 mystery items in it. I think also this time there is supposed to be a bit of exclusive merch in both of these boxes. I think it's going to be different things. Here we go. Why do I keep violently shaking this box? There's makeup inside. I'm kind of hoping to get more Supreme Frost highlighters in this box. That is kind of the only thing that I am missing from my Jeffree Star collection. I think I pretty much have every other product. I have to admit, I have no idea what our possibilities are for this box. I literally did no research. I just knew that I would love opening it and be happy with whatever I get inside. And I also knew that whatever was inside, like, you guys would enjoy watching the video. So I just made the I made the purchase without like really doing any research. So there's that. I have no idea what to expect in here, but that makes it all the more mystery. I feel like the boxes were larger last time, right? Were there more items last time than this time? I don't, ooh, okay. We've got pink paper. You know what else would be great to get is another mirror. This is what we have in here. Ooh, once again, spontaneous ASMR. Slightly better than spontaneous combustion. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, right on top. If wishes were fishes, then I would have a trout right now, but I have a Supreme Frost. No! Oh gosh, diddly dang. So I literally did get a Supreme Frost, but it's the exact same shade that we got in the turkey mystery box. I wish I could really think of what it was. Black Friday. Is that the holiday I'm thinking of? So I'm just going to show the one I already opened to you guys again, because I'm just going to kind of like put this one aside because I will get to using it. I cannot tell you guys like the number of Jeffree highlighters and stuff that I've actually gone through, used the product up, and needed another one. I just love the packaging on the Supreme Frosts. I even love the inside where it's got like the little logo there. So this is definitely a softer highlight shade. This is honestly a highlight that I would use for a look like I have today. This is definitely softer, more natural makeup for me. As you guys can see on my skin, it is just a very nice, soft glow. I feel like this one is very close to my natural skin tone, so I also feel like sometimes that's why this one looks a little bit softer on me, but if you had a different skin tone, it would probably look completely different on you. Obviously. Moving along, we have a special Jeffree Star pop socket, and this looks like an all red thing in celebration of Valentine's Day. So we got a pop socket in the last box as well. It was black and pink, more like a standard logo type thing, and this one is red and white in in celebration of Valentine's Day. Did I just roughly say the same thing twice, 2 times over? Great, good on me. Up next we have, oh my gosh. See, this is what I'm saying. Okay, this is one of my all-time favorite Jeffree highlighters I have ever owned, and I took it in a purse. Why did I do that? But that's what I did, and I dropped it and I broke it and I haven't had it since, but it is Regina George. Do you guys remember this one? It is the super duper bright pink highlighter, and I am so obsessed with this one. Let's do a little swatchy. Oh, I love this one. My hand was honestly just a little damp, so it definitely came off much more extreme. Let me try and swatch it elsewhere. I feel like this is a good example of like if you spray a setting spray and wet the brush, like you can get a lot of pigmentation out of this product. Maybe pop this in the center of your eyelid if you wanted like a nice sparkly pop of metallic color, or you can apply it much softer and just get a really nice bright pink highlight. You guys know I'm very into bright pink, bright red makeup. I know that that's not for everybody, but it is definitely for me. Up next, ooh, oh my gosh, you know what? I wonder, I feel like I had this, but I don't know. It is a lip ammunition in the shade Gargoyle. This is what the tube looks like. Very sparkly. I love that glittered look. Kind of a gray, almost purpley kind of thing going on. You know what? Sanitization is key to a happy life. Ooh, look at that. Oh yes. I am definitely gonna be loving that one. It is like a gray taupey color. Why do I always say everything is either dusty rose or taupe? It's like I have 2 colors in my mind ever at any point. This one, what's this? I feel like I've seen this packaging before. It's like I feel like I know everything and nothing at the same time. Look at that gorgeous red. It looks like a heart design. I don't know what to call this. This is the shade Self-Control. This is a velour liquid lipstick. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm getting all the colors that I love so much. It is like a muted grapey purple. Next, we have another velour liquid lipstick in the shade Doll Parts. I feel like I'm getting messed up today on my Jeffree lore, but I feel like this is one of the earlier shades that came out, like kind of one of the original OG velour liquid lippies. I don't think it was like in the first 3 shades that he ever launched. I do remember really loving this one when I had it a long time ago. I really feel like there was a lot of thought put behind the colors that were included in this box because they are all like very romantic shades, like perfect for Valentine's Day. We have pinks, purples, grays. Oh my gosh, okay. I don't feel like I ever had this one either. This is so stupid now that I started the video off by saying like, I think I've got one of everything. And then I'm like, oh, I don't have this. I didn't have this. I don't have this. The last velour liquid lippy we have in here is called Crocodile Tears. I have been known to do a good old green lippy here and there. Obviously love anything having to do with crocodiles or alligators. Perfect for wearing camo with. It's kind of like a brighter hunter green. I have literally loved every single thing that I've gotten in here so far. I think that I like this box actually better than the other mystery box that I got last time, but I really like that one too, so I don't know. They're both good, but I feel like this one is just a little bit better. Up next, we have a velour lip liner, and this one is in the shade Calabasas. Oh my god. Okay, I see the merch in here, and I'm like dying to open it. Here we go. I'm excited to see what color this is going to swatch as, because it almost looks like an orangey or corally pink to me. More of a, can I say like chrysanthemum pink? A very natural floral pink. Look at that. I mean, I feel like all of these colors are super Valentine's Day, except for maybe like the green and the gargoyle, but even this is kind of purpley, so in my mind, it kind of fits in the range. Okay, did we save the best for last? I'm so excited for this merch. I'm not sure if this is the special merch that was, oh my god, it got so much better. I'm not sure if the pop socket was considered the special merch for just this box, or if this is. I love this. This is so cute. So it is like a burgundy can't relate shirt. And then it has these snapping fingers. I love this so much. That is it for the Valentine's Day Deluxe Super Magic Premiere Mystery Box. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you got one. Let me know if you've seen other people's videos. Does it look like we got a lot of similar stuff or different stuff? I feel like I got super, super lucky. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit that button down below. Subscribe, become a member of the Swamp family, and give an alligator its wings. Also, don't forget, hit that notification bell. Very, very important these days. If you want to know every time I upload a video, be sure and hit the bell. Thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching, spending a little quality Swamp family time together. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all very soon. Bye!